Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 4, awesome-llm-apps, 161 new stars today. This repository gives you 100 plus hand-built, end-to-end tested AI agent templates covering fraud investigation, insurance claims, home renovation, and more, so you can ship working LLM applications in hours instead of weeks. It solves the real problem of turning a powerful but generic LLM into a reliable task-specific agent by providing battle-tested patterns for RAG, multi-agent teams, voice interfaces, and self-improving skills that run on any major model, Claude, etc. Unlike closed platforms like OpenAI's GPTs, every template is a standalone Streamlit app under Apache 2.0, meaning you own the code, can deploy it anywhere, and never pay a per-seat subscription, just clone and run. Number 3, AI engineering from scratch. 569 new stars today. This curriculum bridges the gap between using AI tools and engineering with them, targeting the 66% of students who feel unprepared for professional AI work. It forces you to build every component, from math foundations to MCP servers, by hand across Python, TypeScript, Rust, and Julia, producing reusable artifacts instead of just completing exercises. The 511 lesson structure lets you jump directly to production LLM engineering or agent development without wading through beginner content you already know. Number 2, claude-obsidian, 813 new stars today. This repo gives you a local-first AI research system that turns any source material into a connected, source-cited Obsidian vault you fully own, solving the problem of AI note-taking tools that lock your knowledge inside proprietary databases or model contexts. Unlike simple summarizers, it implements a repeatable knowledge loop: capture, ground claims and evidence ledgers, link concepts, and retrieve later, so your vault compounds in value with every use instead of becoming a write-only graveyard. It's technically interesting because it coordinates parallel Claude code agents through a single orchestrator to prevent vault corruption while keeping everything as plain markdown that works with or without an AI, based on the proven LLM wiki pattern. Number 1, TradingAgents. 218 new stars today. TradingAgents gives you a reproducible, extensible framework for building and backtesting LLM-driven trading agents that reason over market data, news, and sentiment, something that's otherwise a tangle of ad hoc scripts and vendor lock-in. It tackles the real problem of evaluating whether multi-agent language models can generate consistent trading signals by providing a graph-based architecture with structured outputs, multi-provider LLM support, and integrated data vendors. The codebase is designed for rapid experimentation. You can swap in different models, add custom analysts, and run historical simulations with a single CLI command, making it a practical starting point for research or live strategy development.